Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got OPI Give Me Space and MoYou London Trend Hunter 04. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and I've got Anchor and Hearts Iron Anchor also as a base coat because I'm using this dark blue. And this is Give Me Space by OPI. I did double up on my base coats. Sometimes you need to do that. I didn't know for sure with this color, so I went ahead and did it. So this is a polish that my friend Miss Tammy from Mrs. K's Corner gave me, and it's just stunning. Such a gorgeous blue with some shimmer in it. It's so pretty. So I'm going in with my first coat. It's going on really well. I'll cap my free edge here. Cap that edge. There we go. Alrighty, so I'm going to go in with the second coat of Give Me Space. I am making a little bit of mess, but it'll be alright. The polish has got a really good formula on it, though. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Get in there and clean up my mess. Oh, there we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so that we can do a little bit of stamping today. And I'm just going to go ahead and fess up. I mean, this wasn't a fail, but it wasn't one of those manicures I was like really in love with. And it's all okay. You're going to have those sometimes, you know. I'm going to cap that free edge with the top coat and get Woody back to clean up my mess underneath. Look at that. Stunning. This is MoYou London, and this is the Trend Hunter Collection 04. And then I've got out Braves Devo, which is now Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout. My AliExpress stamper and my Maniology scraper. So I'm going to use this image and I'm going to flip it. I'm going to put it on my nails one way on some nails and then flip it around and do it the other way on the other nails. And it's just not my bestest stamping. I think I needed to use a more firm stamper because it kind of warped those fine straight lines when I went to roll it. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I clean my plate with pure acetone. And then we're going to get back into it. So, we're just trying to get out of... Y'all know I like the swirly twirlies and stuff. Doing this kind of like geometric designs and stuff, it's not normally my bag, but, you know, sometimes you just got to do something different. And that one I messed up because, you know, I twisted it a little bit in the middle of the image trying to get it across some curvy nails, but I'm okay, you know. I ended up wearing it a week, so I didn't hate it. I just didn't love it. I'm going to try to fill in one of those circles a little bit better with some of the excess. There we go. Ta-da! Ah, well. Moving on, we're going to get this pinky nail done. And then this part of it will be over and I can move on to the next part. That little pinky nail is shorter than the other one, so there we go. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this excess off of my skin. And this is working pretty well. I am still going to go in with the cleanup brush because that's how I do it. You don't have to do it this way. You can do it whatever way works for you. Go in and tighten that up a little bit. Clean it all up. I'll be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat to cover the stamping before I do my final top coat. This is so that I don't smear it. Get Woody back out because I am a messy girl today. I am going to use the Moonshine Mani Let's Go, or yeah, I think it's Let's Go Top Coat. Her quick dry top coat. I really like it. I'll cap my free edge too with that. And that is it. So I do have a swatch photo coming up here real soon. I would love to hear what you think about this one. Leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself